Okay, warm-up question number 2. Once again, still using of over 100 equals is over percent. Let's see what we have. 2 says 8 is 20% of what number? So 8 is 20% of what number? Find out what you have. 8 is, that is our is. 20%, that's our percent. Of what number? We don't know that, so that's our x. So now, set up a proportion. Fill in what you know. Is on the top right. Is in our problem is 8. So I put the 8 where the is goes. Next, 20%. The percent is on the bottom. So my 20 goes on the bottom. What is always in the problem? The 100. So I fill in my 100. And you can see that you have a blank again. And that goes where the of is. So the x goes right here. Now, we've set up our proportion. Now all we have to do is cross multiply. First step. So I like to start with my x. So x times 20. X times 20 is just simply 20x. Equals, because equal sign in the middle, now you got to cross multiply the other way. 8 times 100. Well, if I had 8 $100 bills, I'd have $800. But if you don't know that, you take 100 and you multiply by 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 1 is 8. 800. I like to think about money when I'm solving math problems. So now we have 20x equals 800. Now at this point in time, we have done our cross multiplication. Now we have to do the second step, which is division. Okay, because it's called cross multiply divide with proportions. But since this means multiplication, because you got 20 and x, and we multiplied 20 times x over here, they attach themselves through multiplication. So I do my opposite line. I'm not going to write opposite line again. That is the opposite line. This is multiplication. I want to take it to the other side. So I divide by 20. Divide by 20. This cancels. X is now by itself over here. And I know now I have 1 0 up here, 1 0 down here. They cancel. I cannot cancel my other 0 like in the other problem because there's no other 0 down here at the bottom. So I simply have 2 dividing into 8d, 80. How many times can 2 go into 8? 2 times 4 is 8. So I subtract, bring down my 0. Well, there's nothing to do. So I just put my 0 up because 2 can't go into 0. Okay, so my answer is 40. So my of is 40. Hope this helps.